Hello guys, this is Vida from Kicksworld.cn. Today I want to show you the Air Jordan 1 fragment design. At first, let me show you the box. It is classical Air Jordan 1 box. Check a size tape. Next, let me show you the details of the box, the shoes. From the video, you can see the leather is a little identical leather crease. It touched very soft. Check out the fragment on the back heel. And the Fly logo. Check a toe box. Black shoelace. The button. Check the insole. On the insole there is a fragment on it. Maybe it is stuck. I cannot show. I will take pictures for you. Guys, if you're interested in these shoes, please check our site www.kicksworld.cn. This is Vida. See you next video.